This is a 2011 Bourget Bike Works Fat Daddy 330 limo. This is an absolutely beautiful custom bike built by Bourget Bike Works down in Arizona. Very stout built custom. Very low seat height. The oil is in the frame of the bike, so there's no oil bag. That helps with the clean body lines of the bike and also helps cool the oil a little bit. It's equipped with a 117 cubic inch S&S polished engine, custom S&S air cleaner, custom Bourget chrome exhaust, mated to a Baker 6-speed overdrive transmission. It also has a Primo 3-inch belt drive. This bike has only 1,169 original miles on the odometer. Great looking Springer front end. The majority of the parts on this bike are CNC'd in-house by Bourget. Great looking custom wheels, front and rear. The chrome and the polished aluminum on this bike is in excellent condition. There's no pitting, no rust, no chips. Really a well cared for motorcycle. Custom grips, custom mirrors, custom levers, Dakota digital gauge. Great paint job. Custom seat matches the paint job. And of course the 330 rear tire. This is a soft tail model, so it rides really, really nice. Has a pair of progressive shocks hidden under the frame. Turn signals, front and rear, are also LED. Nice color matched chin spoiler. There's just nothing to dislike on this bike. It is just absolutely beautiful. It runs really, really strong, rides really nice. This bike only has 1,169 original miles. The original owner apparently only took it to bike nights or poker runs. It needs a rider. Yeah, I'm going to set the phone down for just a second to get this beast fired up. chopper guy like I am, you take a really good look at this 2011 Bourget Fat Daddy 330 limo. This bike looks awesome. It rides great. It rides smooth. It runs really strong with a 117-inch engine. It has super low miles. For information on how to put this beautiful Bourget in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.